From dozing at your desk to extreme grumpiness, not getting the recommended 7 hours of sleep per night will make the waking hours considerably worse. Fortunately, it's your smartphone to the rescue with these apps specifically made to help you get some shut-eye. Don't worry, this app isn't as creepy as it sounds. In fact, if you don't know Andrew Johnson, you will after downloading this app. When it comes to relaxing meditation, Johnson is your man. And with this app, he's all yours. Johnson and his Sean Connery-esque voice will walk you through meditation, which is meant to lead to a good night of sleep. Are you okay with your phone spying on you in your sleep? If so, download this app and place your phone by your pillow. Don't be ashamed, we already know you sleep with your phone. This app will track your sleep cycle and wake you up when it's most natural, as in when you're coming out of your REM cycle. Pure Sleep uses binaural beats and other tones and sounds which were scientifically derived for putting people to sleep and keeping them there for a full night. The Pure Sleep app is available for free as well as premium versions, and many users report that after a few nights they're more than happy to pay for the upgrade.